Hi, I'm Aubrey with NC State Extension. Welcome to Homegrown. Today I'm going to be making a sweet potato ginger soup with you. So to start off, we are going to wash our sweet potatoes and then we are going to start into chopping them. You're going to maintain their skins because that's where a lot of the fiber and the phytonutrients are. So at the Plants for Human Health Institute, we have researched different types of sweet potatoes. In North Carolina, we grow white sweet potatoes and yellow sweet potatoes and even purple sweet potatoes, along with the traditional orange. So what we researched with the sweet potatoes is that the purple ones have a higher concentration in phytochemicals in them. That's the color compound that makes them that purple. But you can use any of the sweet potatoes that you can find around for this recipe. So the only thing you're going to do with the sweet potatoes is chop them up very coarsely, because you're going to end up blending all of this stuff at once. You will add it right into either bone broth or vegetable broth or water if you want. Once you've added in your sweet potatoes, it will be time to start boiling the carrots. The carrots can also come in any range of colors, and we've also researched them at the Plants for Human Health Institute. So sweet potatoes and carrots are really important with carotene, and they have vitamin A concentrations in them, which are really important for skin health, for eye health, and even for cancer prevention. And again, you're just going to add that into the boiling pot of water, and you are going to let that boil for about 15 to 20 minutes until you can pierce the carrots or the sweet potatoes with a fork and have them come out easily. So to flavor the soup, what we will add to it is going to be some turmeric. Turmeric is a really anti-inflammatory rich spice that is used very widely to reduce inflammation in the body, which is the cornerstone of reducing the chances and the likelihood of varying diseases and illnesses. The next spice you'll be using would be a curry powder. This will be giving a little bit of spice and a little bit of heat to your soup. And the following one will be cumin. And it will be also providing antioxidants that specifically fight inflammation. The last piece of this will be some Himalayan sea salt or sea salt that you have on hand. And then to top your soup off, you are going to use a little grated ginger. So the ginger helps not only with digestion, but it also helps with reducing inflammation in your body. And it helps with digestive issues, but it also helps with reducing arthritic pain in your joints. And so once the ginger has been grated in, you will just allow your soup to boil down, and then you will hand blend it, at which point in time you will be able to serve your soup. And it will be this consistency for you. Enjoy. Thank you.